Yeah, we definitely need to talk about this. So one of the reasons why mobile games are the top games on YouTube is because they make more money than the other games. And so when a game makes a lot of money, what happens? They spend that money on advertising and on influencer marketing. So on YouTube, these mobile games are top because they're dumping millions of dollars into YouTube every single month on advertising and on paying streamers and on paying creators like you to cover their games. Whereas PC and console games aren't doing that to that extent. And so when there's nonstop reoccurring revenue, millions being dumped into YouTube month after month after month after month, that means that these games just keep going up, 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 up in terms of popularity. And so that's why you see a lot of PC and console titles when they launch, they're really popular at launch, and then they die immediately after launch. Look at Cyberpunk 2077's popularity. It went down by like 80% within a couple weeks of the game launching. It's all about the marketing money. And if you guys want to go full-time as gaming content creators on YouTube, you need to follow the money. Marketing dollars equals popularity of game. Marketing dollars equals sponsorships that can grow your channel and can grow your income. Let me just share with you a mind-blowing example of how much money a creator made in 1 month. Okay, so there's this creator I coach. His name is, I'm not going to say his name. I don't want to say how much money he makes, but he's a mobile gaming creator, let's say. And I coach about 10 to 12 mobile gaming creators on a regular basis. He only gets 250,000 to 500,000 views per month on his channel. So boys, guesses around the table. How much money did he make in sponsorships 1 month when he juiced it out with mobile gaming sponsorships? Price is Right style. He only made 250,000 views per month to 500,000 views per month. How much money in 1 month off of that amount of views, which isn't that much? Ross, first guess goes to you.
All right, I'm just going back to the basic math of what I know and how much they're making. 250,000 views in the grand scheme of monetizing something isn't necessarily that big. But given the topic that we're on mobile, I'll say 5 to 10,000. Let's go 7,000.
$7,000, he thinks, is the first guess. Price is Right style. Perrin, what's the guess for you in terms of mobile sponsorships? 250,000 to 500,000 views per month on this channel.
With 9,000. I'm going to go a little higher than Ross.
I was about to say
9,000. Okay.
Don't you dare go 7,001.
The correct answer is over 9,000. So neither of you guys went over, and the answer was $50,000.
50,000?
Holy hell!
$50,000. $50,000 in 1 month off of about 500,000 views per month channel. How is that even possible? Mobile gaming sponsors are far more lucrative on YouTube than any other type of sponsorship. And so that's something that you guys should take to the bank literally. If you're looking for a niche that can make you money, can pay your bills, support your family, help you build a 401k, help you get that studio of your dreams or whatever, mobile gaming can be that ticket. Throw in a couple mobile gaming sponsorships per month. You can make thousands of dollars extra per month in that space because there are unlimited advertisers there. Really quick, gaming creators, if you have not already entered our $1,100 gaming creator bundle sweepstakes, you got to do it. Link in the description below. It includes Rode, who hooked us up with this Rode Procaster microphone, shock mount, boom arm, and the mixer to go with it. If you want to sound this good, let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. Take a look. It also includes this mixer right here, which is arguably the highest end creator mixer on the market. Plus, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a Legend license if you want to step up your YouTube channel management game, and Restream threw in a license as well if you want to stream to multiple platforms at the same time and grow through live streaming faster. This costs $0 to enter. Link in the description below. If you want to enter the sweepstakes, if you want to sound this good, the exact package we use on the podcast every single day, and the tools we use to manage our channels and help our clients, all free as a part of this sweepstakes. Good luck. I hope you win. Adios, gaming creators. Appreciate you.